Meet CreemBase, the ultimate open-source boilerplate powered by Supabase, Creem, and Next.js. Getting started is simple. Just sign in securely using your email or any of the authentication providers supported by Supabase. Once inside, you can browse the available tiers and select the subscription plan that perfectly fits your needs. Next, proceed to checkout and fill in your payment details. For this demonstration, you'll see we are utilizing Creem's test mode. The moment you subscribe, a secure webhook is triggered. This is completely handled by the boilerplate behind the scenes, instantly unlocking your protected admin areas with your new active subscription. Managing your billing is also a breeze. You can handle everything via a direct link to the Creem portal. Switch to a different plan right from the boilerplate interface. Or use the built-in cancellation functionality if needed. CreemBase is completely open source and free to use, so grab it now and jumpstart your project.